Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is May the 4th. In my journey to 50k, I'm currently at 133,484, so down by about 2.4% for the day, which is about 3,300. For the past week, down by about 6.4%, which is about 9,200. For the past month, down by about 8.5%, which is about 12,400. For past 3 months, down by about 25%, which is about 44,400. Then the past 1 year, we are up by about 41%, which is about 38,000. So all the indices today are red. So if you're seeing a lot of red on your portfolio, just don't be worried. One thing to note is I actually got some feedback from one of the followers, and they were worried that my portfolio was a bit risky. Actually, yeah, I am aware that I needed to add some recovery plays. I did sell out on those in January, Disney and a few stable companies, but this is my portfolio, so I get to decide what I keep. If it goes red, I'm fine with that. So if you have your own account, you can load up all the recovery stocks that you prefer, and that's totally fine. It's up to you. It's your money. So I'm aware of how my portfolio is made up, and I'm totally okay with holding long term some of the plays. Some of the plays, when I say long term, it's 3 months to 6 months. Some it's more than a year. So I'll be showing, like I show every Sunday, what I'm actually offloading, if I'm offloading anything, or if I have a trailing stop loss that kicked in. I'll be updating you guys there. But so far, I just wanted to kind of provide some motivation about the market. Right now, a lot of people are kind of freaking out. If you have a lot of speculative plays, or if you have a bigger chunk of your portfolio with speculative plays, you're probably seeing a lot of red, more than even what the market is dipping at. So just kind of take a look, deep dive into those, mark them out and wait for a rally and see the ones you can get out without making a loss, because it's not always good to sell at a loss. If you can just wait, for the most part, you can just practice patience. If you've done your DD and believe in a company, you should be good, be it a speculative play, be it a growth play, be it a dividend play. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of touch base and do a short quick video addressing how to go about your portfolio review. It's always good to review your portfolio very often, mostly like say every time there's a kind of a correction. It's good to kind of check the biggest losers and biggest winners, and it gives you an idea of how to approach restructuring your portfolio. So far, I still maintain the ones that I have. I'm okay weathering the storm when it goes down. If I have a stock in my portfolio, I did my own DD. If it falls down by 50%, I'm okay with that. I can handle the red days as well as handle the green days. You shouldn't freak out if you're a first time investor. You should make sure you actually wait out, make sure you do solid DD, make sure you're aware that there's some rotation going on. So you might split your investments into different buckets, which can weather any correction or even a crash. For the most part, if you are very afraid, you can always invest in index funds so that you feel like safe. But if you like some adrenaline and understanding a little bit more about the stock market, and checking out more companies than you would if you just did index fund and ETFs, you should kind of make sure that you do a lot of reading into the companies, listening to news, checking analysts what they're saying about the company, to get a better idea of even when to get into plays when probably there's a dip. Always try and have money on the side. This is just a public portfolio. I have my private portfolio and other investment portfolio, so just don't look at this and say, okay, this is what this guy has, and if it goes to zero, he's kind of screwed up. So just be aware that you have to know everybody on the internet knows what they're doing, and if they show the portfolio online, they are kind of okay with any scrutiny. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I believe Dodge was doing pretty good, as well as Skills. I was checking Skills. They have earnings, I think, later today, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, today. Let's see, Dodge. I think Robinhood kind of restricted trading. You can see Dodge is going like crazy. We did add some money there. It looks like we're up 358%. So just diversifying your portfolio is kind of very important, so that in such bad days like this, if it makes you feel better, you can see some investment being green as opposed to just red in a ton of investment. One thing we've also talked about is trimming down my portfolio, if you've watched a few of the videos. So we'll be doing that in the coming months when we have some really good green days, whereby we are not taking any loss unless necessary, and then at least we can have the portfolio very solid, and we can have the buckets stated out, like this is a airline bucket, this is a biopharma bucket, sorry, this is a tech bucket, this is a penny stock bucket, and kind of build it in a way that you are aware that will be safe no matter what. But that's it for me. Just wanted to kind of do a short quick video and give you an update. Be green, be safe. See you on the next one. Bye.